Alrighty guys, it's your boy David here at D's Garage. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a little quick video of my my wheel setup for you guys, because that's a question that I get asked very often. It's pretty simple. These, I just ordered the ones that they had on their page, Wells page, so check it out. And they fit. I had to make some adjustments, so that's what I'm going to show you guys here. All right guys, so this is my 1987 Chevy Monte Carlo luxury sport. Check out my wheels. I already showed you guys the paint. Now I'm going to show you guys the wheel setup for the people who are always curious of the size. I mean, they fit pretty nice. You know what I mean? Whew, that angle, boy. And look at that one. We threw some spacers on there as well. So these are the 22-inch Wells. I forgot what other name it was, guys. Sorry. But it looks pretty good. You know, there it is. I'll go ahead and leave a link, guys, just so you guys can know where to get this set up at. You know what I mean? Make sure you guys hit the like buttons. If you guys are enjoying this G-body content, let me know. I've got a bunch more work to do on this thing, so stay tuned. I need people to come and help me. I think I don't want to do like a cam stage 2 or something, but there it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions, comment down below on this video. Thank you guys for supporting this this page here. D's Garage, over and out. Hit us up for whatever work you need to. We work on G-bodies, everything. Alrighty guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys my wheel setup, where we got them, who to go see, what I had to do to fit these wheels on here, boy. Look at that luxury sport, silly nice and clean. My boy. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Check it out, check it out. Let you get a little close up right here. That's them Wells, baby. 22s. The only way, baby, to go. Some bolts that holds the tubs so that it won't be rubbing on my tire. There's this place out in Orange County, Santa Ana, where I got the wheels and tires. They delivered them to the shop. So let me show you guys that information. You can still see it rubs a little bit on my tires, guys. Very minimum. And then the back, dude, look how close this is to that frame. So yeah, that's a little issue, but I'm not racing, I'm just cruising. If I want to step step on it, I can step on it and have a little fun. Let me show you guys those details. Hold up. Alrighty guys, so check it out. This is my boy right here who hooked me up with the rims and tires. Go hit them up, check them out. They had really good customer service because I called multiple places, but this gentleman right here helped me out. It's called Tires Wheels Direct. They're out in Orange County, Santa Ana, and they'll take good care of you. Make sure you guys tell them that David from D's Garage sent you, okay? I want to make sure I get my credit as well because I am looking to get a new set. And then this is the wheels that I went with. Where are they? I don't even see them on here no more, dude. I think it's the Ventures. Let me see. Yeah, I don't even see them on here. But yeah, those are my contacts right there, okay? And then my setup that I went based off is this right here. I saw that Monte Carlo and I was like, I gotta get that set up, bro. So there it is, guys. Hopefully this helps on my wheel setup. And that's gonna end this video right here. My next video is gonna talk about interior and suspension and all kinds of stuff that we're still working on. So stay tuned. Hey, if you guys need anything, hit us up though, right here at D's Garage. Thanks guys for watching. Hit that like button. Yeah, I forgot to mention before I end this video, there is the #1 part that I did on Saturday. I wasn't very detailed, so I did another video today, so that's why there's like 2 videos talking about it. So hopefully it helps, guys. Hey, like I said, make sure you guys hit that like button if you're enjoying this video. If I'm helping you in any kind of way to accomplish your Monte Carlo, please let me know, or I ain't gonna drop no more videos. And we got a lot more stuff to do. Like we got these tail lights that we're gonna be installing, so that's gonna be another video for you guys. We got these digi tail lights that we're gonna do, right? So we're gonna do those, and then, dude, I've had this thing here for about a good couple of months and I still haven't put it on. And we got a couple of more little details that we're doing, guys. I don't want to give all the answers out now. Let me know if you guys enjoyed the content. Stay tuned. D's Garage, baby.